Okay, so now that we got the general information and the architectural site plan out of the way, what we're gonna do is I want you to open the first floor plan. So this is so important because this will give you an idea of what the floor plan is going to be. Most buildings are going to carry the same floor plan throughout the 3, 4, 5, 10, 100 stories. Um, Even if sometimes they don't carry the same floor plan, they will have patterns. So every 3 floor plans will be the same, or every other floor plan, or whatever the case might be. So if you pay attention to this floor plan, what you will see is that we'll understand that we're going to have 2 stairwells. One is going to be right here on this side. Okay, so locate your stairwell, and then we're going to have an elevator right here. Okay, an elevator pit, and then we're going to have another stairwell right here. This is so important to understand because this will give you a little bit of an understanding when we're going to be going on the elevations, what this is right here on these 2 sides, and these 2 sides right here. Okay, now once we've got that out of the way, what I would like you to pay attention of is see how the units kind of like symmetrically go from one side to the other one. Now this is a breezeway, okay, so this is like an exterior that's going through here. So there is 1 unit on this side, 1 unit on this side. So this is a 1B, 1B. So these 2 units are completely equal. 1A, 1A. Okay? 2A, 2A. In this case, we have a 2A and then a 3A. Then it goes back to 1A, 1A, 1B, 1B. 2B, 2B. So the 2B usually stands for a 2-bedroom. Let's see if that's true. Generally speaking, that's what it stands for. This is our living room. This is our 1-bedroom. This is our master bedroom. Here's the restroom, and the kitchen is somewhere around here. This is the living room. This is so interesting. Look at this. This is a patio. Okay, so this patio, what it tells me is that it probably has a ceiling. Okay, and right here I can see that this is framed as well. So that means that there's going to be stucco right around here. There's going to be stucco right around here, all around these perimeters. But at least now I know what's going on, what my floor plan looks like. So each building is going to have this breezeway. It's going to go for 4 stories. There's going to be a ceiling. So I want to find out what that ceiling has on this breezeway. And then about this patio right here. This patio on 1A. Alright, so that 1A is going to have the same patio right here. And that 2A is going to have another patio right here. So each one is going to have a patio. Each unit is going to have basically the same one. A 3A, which there is only one of them in this case, is going to have the biggest patio, it looks like. So get familiar with your floor plan, and right here, okay, in this section right here is giving me an enlargement. If you're looking at these, you see this dashed area right here. It tells me that there's more information about this dashed area on 411. So 4A 4 on A111. So A111 is this one right here. Detail number 4 is going to be here. Okay, so this gives me more in depth what it is. There's 2 exterior doors. And then there is these 2 commercial electrical room, electrical commander, and a fire riser radio. Okay? So get familiar with your floor plan. I'll see you on the next video.